Hello guys. So today we'll be learning how to make poster on Canva and how to log in on Canva first. So what we'll do in the Google tab, we will type in Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva. So once we have typed in, you can see this www.canva.com. This is where we have to click. Now this will land up to a page where you have to get started with the sign up. So you can sign up with using Google account, or you can even go with Facebook, or you can sign up with email. Any of these three options are viable. So I generally sign up with Google. So in this I'll show you how to sign up with email. You'll have to click on sign up with email, then click on your name, and you can fill up your name, email ID, password, and get started. So I'm going to log in with Google. Okay, so this is how it looks when you enter in. Over here, just yeah, got it, thanks. um, this is a pro for free, Canva Pro for free, so you don't need it right now. So I click on the cross, and over here we are going to click on this poster tab, which is next to the Instagram post. What we can do is we have these templates over here in the left side. We have to select any one for the posters. So we are going for the event poster and going for the food event. So for designing the food event, these are the templates that I have. So in general, I'll go in templates options, just to the left side as you saw, and then you have to select. Always check out for this free thing in the corner. You take your cursor because that is something which is free, and if there is a symbol which I'll show you later on, so that means you have to pay for $1 or so, which currently I'm not going to. In case if you want, you can pay. Okay, so I'm going to select uh, this poster, healthy eating habits. Okay, so I like the design of it, and it looks very nice. So next thing is, if I want to upload, next option is upload, right? So if I want to upload anything from my desktop, any image if I have, so after clicking on this upload, I will go on this upload an image or video option. Okay, and then what I can do is I can select whichever media file that I want to upload. Okay, next is photos. In photos, you have a lot of photos to select from. You can go for food, beach, computer, money, whatever a poster you're making. Or if you want something else, you can type in the search bar, and you can just select that particular thing. Okay, so uh, currently I'm going to click on food since I'm doing a food event poster. Okay, so now over here again, you can see these photos, right? So after I click on this particular photo, you see there is this small free thing given in the right bottom corner. Now that means it's free. Okay, so over here in this picture, you can see there is this, yeah, crown symbol. Pro, that means it is paid. So let's read this. Get this image and a million more with okay, wait, get this image with million more with Canva Pro, or pay $1 for this image. So you have to either pay $1 or uh, get Canva Pro to get this image, right? So currently I want free stuff to add in my poster, so I'm not gonna take this particular image in my poster or for my poster. Okay, so now the image which I've already selected, which is a free one, I'm shrinking it down. Okay, and I will paste it in my poster. Okay, so I want to make a few changes over here. So first is the headers and all. So the things what I don't like, I'm gonna click on that and see in the right corner you have this delete element option. I'm just gonna delete. So you can see it's deleted. Now see, check this out. Click, delete, delete element. It goes off, right? Again. So this is how I have deleted unwanted stuff from my poster. Okay, so I like this title, so I'm gonna keep it right away, but I'm just going to modify it to the event name that I want to put. So that's food. Okay, so yeah, I'm editing to food festival. This is the event that I want to keep. Okay, so you can even change the font style. Okay, like this. You can even customize or change the font size. Okay, you have multiple options here. You can even change the color. So I can go for any color. I can go for red. I can go for the color which is already given, that's the yellowish goldenish thing. I can even change the alignment, add a few effects to the font itself. So this is how it is. Okay. Okay, so moving on to next, I'm adding a few more pictures. So I have to just click and the picture comes up, pops up, and then I'm just going to shrink every picture and just adjust it wherever I want. And you can see they have this specification tab. So whenever you go near the picture, it gives you a nice lines and borders. So you can just, adjust, align your pictures. Okay. So I'm just adding few pictures and see these lines. You can align it likewise in the perfect measurement of your previous pictures that you have put in. Okay, so this is one more picture that I've taken. Now, if you must have noticed, it's a pro picture. Okay, so I have to pay for this one. So in case anytime if you add in any such picture and which wants you to pay $1 or so, we you can later on remove it from your poster. So I'll show you that in the final stage how to remove such pictures. Okay, uh, s- so that you get an idea of it. Okay, next what I'll do is next are elements. Okay, in elements we have a couple of elements that can be put in, right? So these were the recently used one. Going down, you have stickers, you have many such things. So I just want to see something related to food since I am going for a food event poster. So here is organic sketched fruit. So I'll go for these ones mostly. Okay. So I've taken a pumpkin or so something. Okay. So I am going to put this picture up, and again it's the same process. Click, then adjust, shrink, or zoom in, whatever you feel suits your poster. Okay, and just place it. Just click in between and just paste it wherever you want in the poster, wherever you see it's a good fit. Okay. Next is what we'll do is we'll pick up few flowers. Okay, again same procedure. Click, select, and just paste it wherever you want. Okay. Next is I'll go for this green flower. Okay, so we are almost done with placing flowers. Okay, so mostly almost the poster is ready. We'll add a few texts in it. Okay, so we'll add a title, the heading. We already have, but in case if you don't like this or if you want in any other style, what you can do is these are the styles mentioned. So you can either click on uh, any of it. Like let's go for add a heading. Okay, in case if you don't like this food festival thing, you can add a heading. Okay, so let's add a heading that's food, FOOD. Okay, and once I'm done, I'll place it. Uh, wherever I feel fit. Since it's everything is occupied, I'll just keep it in middle. Okay. And in case if you want any other style like this, how it's written, so I can click on that. You get it. Since everything is messy, I think, yeah, so this is how you will get. In case if you go for some other post, or if you have space in between and you want to go for this particular style, again click on the elements which you don't want, go for delete elements, and those elements will be deleted. Click delete, delete element. Okay. uh, so we'll do it couple of times till the time, yeah. And I've deleted this element because I really didn't want it was being much of a mess. This is just to show you guys how it happens or how you can design it in case if you want. Okay, so this is food thing that I have stuck again. I can change its font size to whatever I wish for. Okay, so I have changed it to 104. Now I can change the style which I like. So let's see. Okay, so I've clicked onto one style and see it has changed. Okay, so this is how we can change the color as well. You can go from yellowish because it matches to the poster. You can even underline it, you can align it, you can add effects, okay, to whatever your text is. So again, okay, so these are the options those that are available to you right away which can be used. Okay, next coming on to videos. Now you can even add in videos, but I would suggest these for some Instagram poster or something. Since I'm going to print out this poster, adding videos would make no sense to me. But still, if you guys want to add in videos to your poster, you can click on any of these videos. Just see to it that they are free in case you want free, and in case if you want to pay, you can select any poster. It's your wish. So I've clicked on one of the videos. Okay, so this is how the video will keep on playing. Once you again, you can shrink and paste it anywhere you want in your poster. Okay, so it's a perfect fit for posters that are live and where you don't want to print or so. Okay, so currently I'm deleting it. Next is background. Okay, now in background also what you can do is you can change the background. So currently the background is black. Okay, so you can change to whichever background you want. For example, if I click on orange thing, this, so you see the color, the background color has changed. Okay, sim and the change continues. So whatever you like, you can select again whichever background you can try, you can experiment, but I think I like black only, the previous one, so I'm going to stick with the black. Okay, in this top uh, bar you have a different colors which are plain colors, which, yeah, see if I click on blue or any other color. Okay, so this is how plain colors look like in the background. So it will give again a nice effect, totally upon you what you want to do. Okay, so I'm still going with black since I like black more in the background. So right now this is a full screen option that you can see. If I click on this, I can see full screen mode. Okay, so now if I want to download, I'll click on this download tab. Now this shows me that okay, I have something which needs a payment of $1. So this is what I spoke earlier in the video about a payment option, right? The video, the picture which was paid, this one which was paid one. So we'll do is we'll delete it. Okay, so let's see how we'll delete it. So we'll simply click on the particular photo which has to be deleted. Again, delete elements. Now you can add more another picture if you want, but I do not want to, so I'll just simply place this picture in middle, and now again download. And see, now you see there is no option or asking for payment. Okay, since you have deleted the paid photo. Okay, so now from here you can select any of it, any mode of save, like how you want to download. You want to download in PDF, you want in JPEG, you want in PNG. Okay, or even GIF is available. Okay, so I'll go for PNG option currently. You can even go for GIF, MP4 video, whatever you feel like. Okay, if you want to print, you can go for if you want to transfer anyone, you can go for PDF option. Okay, selected PNG in the file type, then download, and this is now preparing the download. Okay, so now the download is done. So yeah, in the left corner, this is how the final poster looks like. It's nice, crisp, and I can anytime take print out of this and I can stick it wherever I want. I can even save this with save as, okay, in my desktop, and even send it if I want. So this is how you make poster on Canva. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like, and please add your comments if you want to see any other such videos. And thank you so much.